Enriquez Academy, where we unleash your skills, talent, and creativity through the visual and performing arts. The training ground for the Conseverse cinematic universe, where the future of Jamaica cinema lies. Dare to dream. Earn your ID and become a trained professional.
Only we can tell our stories, man. Jamaican-born stories, Jamaican-born actors.
Get direction from trained professionals with years of experience. Bring out the best version of yourself. You don't know how far you can go until you're pushed. Look at this.
You don't care where you or anybody else wants it. Because you always have problem with everybody else. I know what?
We help you unlock emotion, expression, attitude. We give you what you've been missing. Join Enriquez Academy for just $5,000 per semester. Call Courtney Enriquez directly at 876-797-6332. Dare to enter the Conseverse.